Are you looking for some unforgettable activities that will captivate your teens' attention during your next European vacation? We've got the perfect list to keep them engaged and excited.
Showcase suggestions, where I share travel tips and lists of 5 to help make traveling with kids a little easier.
Hi everyone, my name's Christina and I'm the owner of Showcase the World Travel, a modern travel agency dedicated to helping families take a break from the busy, and for families with teens, that means taking a break from the phone. So I am sharing some of our most engaging and exciting activities tailored for teens that they'll love across Europe, hopefully to get them to put their phones down. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more unique travel ideas. One of my favorite experiences that is super popular with families with teens is creating your own perfume in Paris. You start your journey on the fragrance capital of the world, where your teen can become a perfumer for today. The workshop allows them to learn about the art of perfume making and even create a personal scent they can bring home as a memorable keepsake from their trip. Imagine how excited they're going to be to share their signature scent with their friends and talk about this experience after the fact. Next up is the London Street Art Tour. We can dive into London's dynamic street art scene with a guided tour of the trendy Shoreditch area. Teens will love discovering the hidden art gems and can even try their hand at spray painting, guided by a local artist. So another great experience to talk about with their friends with a souvenir that they can bring home. So one of the things we love to do is, do this towards the end of a trip and capture some special moment from your trip in graffiti. So you work with an artist, you can do it on canvas, you can have the canvas shipped back. So much fun. Are you interested in more unique activities like this in London? Keep watching and I'll share some more exclusive experience in London, perfect for any family. Another great way to get teens engaged is by looking at something that they're interested in, like Emily in Paris, perhaps. One of our partners in Paris has an incredible tour called In the Footsteps of Emily. You follow the stylish footsteps of Emily from the hit series, and the tour takes teens through key filming locations around Paris, mixing the charm of the show with real-world Parisian culture. It's a must-do for fans of the show and young fashionistas. Another great way, I really like to do activities that get kids and teens' hands involved, right? So you're not just going from site to site, you're engaging with the culture in a way that's not just shuffling along from attraction to attraction, right? From museum to museum. So I love doing local art workshops, and in Venice, the Murano glass jewelry, an incredible experience. Teens will visit the famous island of Murano, where they'll learn from master glassmakers how to craft their own unique pieces of glass jewelry. It's not only a fun activity, but again, a great way to bring a souvenir home. There's a lot of really, really great fashion experiences that we're able to provide for our travelers. One is, working with a fashion designer in Paris. We have some Savile Row tailors that have experiences upcycling in London, but one of my favorites is the traditional tartan weaving in Edinburgh. Your teen can engage in the ancient art of tartan weaving with this hands-on workshop that teaches the significance of tartan in the Scottish culture, where they can design their own tartan and weave their own, making, again, another authentic experience with a really cool souvenir. If you're craving more creative and enriching travel ideas, make sure to download our guide, Beyond the Basics, exclusive experiences for families in London. It's your gateway to planning the perfect family vacation full of hands-on activities meant to engage the whole family. Traveling with teens can be an exciting opportunity to explore new activities and challenge their creativity and immerse them in different cultures. Each of these experiences promises not just fun, but a deep dive into the rich tapestries of European life. If you are ready to start planning an unforgettable trip to Europe, head over to our website and schedule a call with one of our travel experts at Showcase the World. We specialize in crafting personalized family vacations that promise adventure and bonding opportunities for you and your teenagers. Thank you so much for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share it with other families looking for exciting travel ideas. Stay tuned for more tips and insights of making the most of your family travels. Till next time, don't forget to take a break from the busy.
Need help planning your next family vacation? Visit us at showcasetheworld.com to request a quote or schedule a free vacation consultation. Want more great travel tips? You'll find those there too.